are soft and some are loud. Have you ever thought why? Today we will talk about this, about sound, its amplitude and energy. The more force used to hit a drum, louder the sound. Less force means softer sound. Keep your eyes on the mustard seeds that bounce due to the sound produced by the drum. Louder sound means more energy and so the seeds bounce more. Softer sound means less energy and so the seeds bounce less. Pay attention to the thermocol ball and its bounce. This is amplitude. Softer sound means less energy and so lesser bounce, meaning low amplitude. Louder the sound, more the energy and so bounces more, meaning high amplitude. Let us see the amplitude of sound with the help of a slinky. Look closely at the rings of the slinky. When it is pushed slightly, energy is less and so amplitude is less, meaning softer sound. When it is pushed hard, energy is more and so is the amplitude, meaning louder sound. Now you must have understood. Louder the sound, greater the amplitude. When more energy is applied, the rings moved further. If sound is soft, amplitude is less. The energy is less and the rings do not move very far. So when we increase or reduce the volume of sound, we change the amplitude. The unit of amplitude is decibel. Let's see how many decibel units each sound has. This high decibel range can even damage our ears. With all this information, let's look at sound and its amplitude and energy once more. The intensity of sound depends on its amplitude. More the energy of vibration, more the amplitude. Louder will be the sound. Lesser the energy of vibration, lesser the amplitude and softer will be the sound. Amplitude is measured in decibel. And now think for yourself. There are boards outside schools and hospitals saying silent zone. What is the reason for it? Discuss about it and find the answer on your own.